Hello friend, welcome back. This is Arvind, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy our motor mechanic workshop management software. So in my previous video I talked about 50% discount on all tax return and compliance. Hope you watched my previous video, and I also talk about the features of our software, how it can make your job easier. So let's start the process now. So as you can see here, we have an option buy now. You have to click here buy now, like me. After clicking buy now, it will open some details to enter. As you can see here, you have to enter first name, you have to enter last name, enter phone number, enter email address, enter credit card number, enter card expiry date, CVV number that you can find on the back of the card, and enter password, and you have to confirm the password. After filling up all these details, you have to click register. All right. So thank you so much for watching the video. Cheers. Bye bye. Take care.